Hey guys, it's Davita here with WTI, and if you are in need of a serious outdoor gym adventure sneaker, I cannot recommend enough these amazing sneakers by Reebok. These are the Nano X1 Adventure Cross Trainer sneakers. Why I love them so much is that they are extremely durable. I was using different sneakers for a while in the gym, and when doing rope climbs, every single time I came down on the rope, it basically burned through the entire sole of my shoe. So that was not good. So since getting these, I have found that there has been no wear and tear. There's no burning in the sole, the rubber part of the shoe. They have stayed sturdy and strong. I love them for lifting weights, for rope climbing. They would be great for outdoor adventuring, rock climbing, hiking. They're an extremely sturdy sneaker. So I am not disappointed at all with these. I highly recommend them. And that is my point of view.